happy Vlogmas day 21. It's Vlogmas day 21 of Vlogmas 2021. That's fun. So I am back from my walk now, and I had a good walk, saw the Christmas lights, and something really exciting happened. So as I was heading out the door, there was a French bulldog with their owner coming up. I guess they're my neighbor, and I got to pet the dog, and he was so nice. So I got some dog love. And then when I walked around towards the mailboxes, there was a cute kitty cat just sitting there. So my instinct is to just wave and say, "Hi, kitty." And I think that lured the cat to me. And she started like rubbing on me, and I got to pet her. So I filmed a few clips on my phone that I can insert now. I don't have my camera, but I have my iPhone. And I made a friend on the street. Yeah. Say hello. Yeah. Hi. Hello. I have no idea. I just found a cat while on our walk. Thank you for the love. You're very pretty. Thank you for saying hi, and thank you for the love. Bye, kitty. And then we're by the decorations again. Bye. Thanks for saying hi. So that was just super cute. I enjoyed that. So I got some dog love today and some kitty love. It kind of convinced me to get a cat. I am such a dog person. I've always had a dog growing up, but this cat was so sweet, and it's kind of easier to take care of. And my dad says I'm not allergic to cats. I've been around cats, I just never had one. So I don't know, it convinced me to get a cat. That was eventful today. The day that I don't bring this camera with me is the day that I see a dog and a cat, and I got to pet them. Unfortunately, I didn't get any pictures or videos of the dog because he was just passing by going upstairs. So yeah, but he was super cute and super friendly, and he had a cute sweater on. And then the kitty was just so soft and friendly. And as you could see, I could not leave the kitty. My dad literally had to drag me away from the cat because I wanted to stay and pet her forever. So I spent my afternoon getting some Instagram pictures scheduled and ready to go. I did all the things that I have to do for that. I guess I can show you. Do I have my iPad next to me? I do happen to have my iPad beside me, and I can show you the stuff that I did today on it. So I kind of like how my feed is looking. I'll probably have to turn you around and show you. So that is a whole lot better. I planned out my Instagram content. So here is what my Instagram is going to look like. I planned it out on this app. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's called like Instagram feed for the iPad. I have one on my phone, but I like it on my iPad better because it's a lot bigger on my iPad. So I scheduled out all the posts. I've been slacking, and I need to upload my Christmas content to my Instagram. So this might change. I might change this picture around. I like having things in threes. I can't explain it, but these three match, these three match, these three are going to match, these three match, and then these three are going to match later on. So what I do with that is I just put a filler image in here that I kind of want to be in here, and then it will like match the theme. I don't know if I'm making any sense whatsoever, but these three images on my Instagram have to be alike. I don't know. I have like a thing with that. My theme has to match, and I tried doing the non-matching theme, but I just keep going back to it. Before, the whole grid had to look similar, but now I just do one row that look alike, and then the next row doesn't have to look alike, if that makes sense. I have to plan out a few more Instagram pictures that I'm going to take, and outfit plan for tomorrow for that. That's going to be maybe tomorrow's video. I have to shoot some content for Instagram and my blog before the holidays are over with, because it's already the 21st today. I'm doing everything last minute this year. That is my plan. That is what my Instagram is looking like, and hopefully I can get the picture taken tomorrow. That's what I am planning on. Today I'm going to have a self-care day. I have to do my nails. I've been putting that off, and then I'm going to take a shower, do my hair, and all that fun stuff. I already showed you my shower routine, so I'm not gonna go through that again, but we can do my nails together later after I shower. So yeah, I better put this stuff away. I'm gonna go cook dinner now. I think I'm going to make a veggie beef chow mein noodle mixture. So let's go into the kitchen and do that. After dinner, I took my shower. I'm just letting my hair dry, but I thought we would open a package together. I got this, I think, a few days after Halloween, and I still haven't opened it. So I remembered that I did buy this thing finally, and we need it for what I'm about to do next. So let me open it up and show you what I got. This legit could be a cool gift. Like, look at how that's packaged. That would have been easy to wrap. Oh, I got a pack of nails. These are the press-on nails that I get. And I was hoping they had a red pair. I mean, I should have opened this up for Thanksgiving and wore like the nude or brown kind of nails, because that would have been fun and matched my Thanksgiving outfit. But I swear they had like red nails in here from the picture. So let me open it up and see if maybe it's hiding underneath there. Thank goodness they had two, and they have like so many other colors. Like, look at that. I kind of want to do like some green ones too. Like, I can totally do a green accent nail. So yeah, there was some red hiding in there, thank goodness. Now I don't know which red to go for, the dark red or the orangey fiery red one. I don't know if you can even see a difference. There's two different colored green ones, so maybe I should like mix and match. Too bad they don't have like a white one, or I would have done white as well. Is there a white? No, there's just a grayish, like a beige gray color. No. Oh, and they had orange. See, I should have opened this up for Thanksgiving and Halloween. So I'm just gonna go sit and watch TV with my dad and maybe have some dessert. I kind of want to eat some cookies. I bought some cookies the other day, and I want to have some cookies, and I don't have milk. Oh, I'm sad. But I'm going to maybe just time-lapse you through me doing my nails, and then I'll put a voiceover on top of it. I'll show you which nails I choose and all that. So let me just go get my supplies ready and then time-lapse this. So roll it now. Starting off with my manicure set that I use, then the nail glues that I use, and then the nails that I picked out. Now I already sized them and measured them out. Then I'm taking the giant nail cutter, the nail file, then the cuticle stick, and those are what I use to do my nails. I just push back my cuticle a little bit. So I'm not the greatest at doing my own manicure, and I don't like to push my cuticles back too much because it really hurts, and I have very thin cuticles according to like nail ladies when I go, so I take it easy. Then I just cut my nails into shape and make sure they're all the same length, and that is what my nails look like before I put on the press-on ones. So I take my older nail glue and then I open that up, and then I take the new nail glue that I just got in and I open that one up, and then I take the nail that I pre-picked out to fit on my nail, and I just measure it out to make sure it fits properly and it's the right one. And then I take my older nail glue and paint a couple of layers on to the back of it. So this is my trick for making it stay on longer. And then I use the new nail glue and put a few coats on my actual nail, and then I press it on. I don't know how long I press it on for, but that is how I do it. And then I alternate and do my right hand now. So do the same steps that I just told you about. Press it on, and there you go. Then I do that with every other nail. So that is the process that I go through. And it's quite fast, and I just do it while watching TV, and it's really fun. And I just enjoy doing my own manicures. Sometimes I put too much glue and it will seep out and it won't be pretty, so I'll have to wipe it down with some acetone. But other than that, I just go through this routine and they turn out pretty. They last quite a long time. I don't know how they do that, but I'm really happy with the results, and this is how I've been doing my nails for, I don't know, 6 months now, 7 months. I really don't know, but that is the finished nails. I'm super happy with them, and they look so fun and festive. And then since they came off of that thing, I buff them down so they're not as sharp anymore. And that is my finished nail process. So here are my finished nails. They look cute. I went with the alternating colors in the end, and I went with more of the red or deep red color instead of the fiery red and the holiday green color. So they look so cute. So this is my left hand and this is my right hand. I mean, I think it looks okay. There is a glue spot in the middle right there. Luckily you can't really see it on camera, I don't think. Yeah, you can a little bit right there, but that is what they look like. I usually cut them down, but this set was pretty good. So this is what they look like. That's my Christmas nails of 2021. It's Advent calendar time, and we're gonna do day 21. It is over here. I have nails on, so it's a lot easier to open today.
So what is this critter?
It's Frosty the Snowman, or just a snowman.
Okay.
So that is it for Advent calendar time. We'll see you tomorrow for day 22. Well, it's time to wrap up Vlogmas day 21. I hope you enjoyed me doing my nails, planning out my Instagram, and meeting a cat friend. I'll make sure to link all my nail supplies down below in the description if you want to check that out. They're super fun and I love how they turned out. Hopefully tomorrow's Vlogmas video will be interesting. I have a plan, and if those plans don't go through, then I'll have to find something else. But if they do, it's going to be really exciting and fun. That's why I did my shower routine, got my nails done today, because I'm going to be doing something super exciting. Well, I do hope they go through, so cross your fingers for me. But other than that, I'm going to end Vlogmas day 21 here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 22. Bye everyone!